You think building big biceps take months or even years, right? What if I told you, you can actually see a difference in just 7 days? Yeah, not fake, not a steroid, not some scam workout, just a smart training, real science and consistency. Because here's the truth, most people don't have bad genetics, they just have a bad strategy. And that's exactly why your arms are still skinny. But don't worry, by the end of this video, we'll know exactly how to turn those skinny arms into fuller, stronger biceps starting today. Let's get into it. First, understand this. Your biceps don't grow just because you do curls. That's the biggest mistake beginners make. They pick up dumbbell, do random reps, scroll their phone and expect growth. That's not how muscles building work. If you want your arms to grow fast, you need 3 things: proper tension, enough volume, and recovery. Miss even one of these and your progress slows down. Now let's talk about the 7 days transformation plan. Day 1. Shock your muscles. Start with heavy dumbbell curl. Pick a weight that's challenging, where the last 2 reps feel almost impossible. Do 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, then immediately go into hammer curl. No rest. This is called a superset, and it forces more blood into your arms, giving you that crazy pump. Trust me, your arms will feel like they are about to explode. Day 2. Recovery and activation. No heavy lifting today. Just do light resistance band 3 sets of 15 reps. This improves blood flow and speed up recovery. Most people skip this, but this is where real muscle growth happens. Day 3. Time under tension. Now slow everything down. Do biceps curl but take 3 seconds to lift and 3 seconds to lower. Feel every inch of the moment. 3 sets of 10 reps. This destroys your muscle fiber in a good way. Day 4. Rest. Yes, rest, because muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you recover. If you skip rest, you kill your gains. Day 5. High volume attack. Now we go crazy. Do 100 total reps of curl. Doesn't matter how many sets. Just complete 100 reps. Your arms will be on fire. This increases endurance and muscle fullness. Day 6. Peak contraction focus. This is where we squeeze. At the top of every curl, hold for 2 seconds. Squeeze your biceps like you are trying to cross something. 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This improves the mind-muscle connection, which most people completely ignore. Day 7. Final pump day. Lightweight, high reps, constant tension. Do 3 exercises back to back. Dumbbell curl, hammer curl, and reverse curl. No rest between them. 3 rounds. By the end, your arms will look fuller, tighter, and more defined. Now listen carefully. Will you turn into a bodybuilder in just 7 days? No, but will your arms look noticeably bigger, pumped, and stronger? 100% yes. And that's what builds motivation. That's what keeps you going. Because once you see a result, you will stay consistent. Now let's talk about one more thing most people ignore. Nutrition. If you're not eating enough protein, forget about growth. You need at least 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. Chicken, eggs, fish, protein shake. Keep it simple. And drink more water. Hydrated muscle look bigger. It's that simple. Also sleep. If you are sleeping 4 to 5 hours, your arm won't grow. Your body needs recover to build muscles, so aim for at least 7 hours. Now here's the real secret. Consistency beats everything. This 7 days plan is just the start. Repeat it, improve it, push harder every week. That's how skinny arms turn into massive biceps. Not overnight, but faster than you think. So starting today, no more excuses. No more random workouts. Follow this plan, stay consistent, and watch your arms transform. And when someone asks you, how did your arms grow so fast? Just smile and say, I trained smart. Let's get those gains. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness update.